Hello students. Next topic, magnification. Magnification. Okay. First, it is represented by a letter small m. Okay. Magnification is represented by letter m. So first of all, what is meant by magnification? M equal to h I by h naught, where h high means height of half, I means image distance. Okay, so h I means height of image distance. Next, ho means height of, o means object distance. Object distance. Okay, height of image distance, height of object distance. Now what is the definition of the magnification? The ratio of, okay, the ratio of height of image distance to height of the object distance. Okay, I understand the ratio of ha means height of image distance to ho means height of the object distance, that is called magnification. So write the definition: the ratio of height of image distance hi to height of object distance. H naught is called magnification. Okay. Next, how you take the height of the image distance and height of the object distance? For example, this is a concave mirror. This is the principal axis. I am placing a object. So image formations, two incident rays are necessary. So this is the incident ray, this is the object AB. So incident ray, this is the reflected ray. Okay, this is the focus point. Next, this is the second incident ray. So reflected, this is the A dash, B dash. This is the image, this is the object. Okay, this is called height of object distance. So h naught, this is the height of image distance. So this is the ha. These two are measured from the principal axis, but this is the above the principal axis, this is the below the principal axis. Now according to sign convention, when you measure the height from above the principal axis, this is the principal axis, we are measuring the height of the distance above the principal axis, that is positive value. Okay, when you are measuring the distance height of the object below the principal axis, so you can take the negative value according to sign convention rules. When you are measure height from above the principal axis is positive value. Okay, here distance measured above the principal axis, distance measured height above the principal axis, you can take the positive value. If suppose when you are measured height from below the principal axis is negative value. Okay, when you measure the height from below the principal axis, that is negative value. Above the principal axis, positive value. Below the principal axis is negative value. Those are sign conventions. In numerical problems, we must take the sign conventions. Okay, before you will apply the sign convention, then only you can solve that problem. This magnification m equal to hi by h naught is equal to minus v by u, where u means object distance. So we can derive m equal to minus v by u. For this, first of all, I am taking a one concave mirror. So this is a concave mirror. This is the polished surface. Okay, so this is the pole of the concave mirror. This is the principal axis. So where is the center of curvature? The hollow sphere. The center of the hollow sphere is center of curvature. Okay, this is the center of curvature. Now I am placing an object. This is the object, that is AB. AB is the object. So the height of the object I am taking h naught. Okay, this is the first incident ray. Next, reflected this direction. Okay, where is the normal line? Normal line is passing through center of curvature. So this is the center of curvature. This is the normal line. This is the normal line. For image formation, two incident rays are necessary. So this is the first incident ray. Now second incident ray is, this is the second incident ray reflected at this point. At this point, image will be formed, that is A dash. This is the image line. This is the B dash. AB is the height of the object. Next, A dash, B dash is the height of image. This is the height of object. This is the height of image. So height of image is hi, height of the object is h naught. So angle of incidence alpha and angle of reflection is also alpha. According to laws of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is the focus. So P to B distance. So P to B distance we are taking as object distance. Object distance is denoted by letter U. So that is the U value. Next, P to B dash distance. So P to B dash distance we are taking V. V means image distance. P to B is the object distance. P to B dash is the image distance. That is the object distance. This is the image distance. Okay. Observe carefully from the diagram A P B. Triangle A P B. This is one triangle. Next to triangle B dash P A dash. B dash P A dash. This is the one triangle. This is the one triangle. This is the one triangle. So triangle A P B is similar to triangle B dash P A dash. I am taking here condition these two triangles are same. Okay. This is the perpendicular distance of triangle A P B. So perpendicular distance of A P B is AB. Next, perpendicular distance of triangle B dash P A dash is the B dash A. This is the perpendicular distance. This is the perpendicular distance. A dash B dash by AB. These two are perpendicular distance. Next, BP is the base of the triangle APB. Next, B dash P is the base of the triangle B dash P A dash. So base B dash P is equal to BP. Okay. From the diagram, substitute all these values A dash B dash AB B dash P BP values. First A dash B dash distance. So A dash B dash distance is HI. Apply the sign conventions. A dash B dash is the below the principal axis. When you measure the height below the principal axis, you can, when you are measuring the distance from below the principal axis, you can take the negative value. So minus HI by AB. AB means this is the distance H naught. So AB is the line above the principal axis. So apply the sign conventions. When you are measuring the distance above the principal axis, that is positive value. So H naught. B dash to P. B dash to P is the V. So according to sign convention rules, that is opposite to incident ray. So when you are measuring the distance from opposite to incident ray, we are taking the negative sign. So minus V. Next to BP. B to P distance, that is U. Okay. So apply the sign convention rules. So that is also opposite to incident ray direction. So incident rays are this direction. We are measuring the distance from opposite to incident ray. So when you are measuring the distance from opposite to incident ray, we are taking the negative value. Okay. Minus minus gets the cancel. So minus H naught by, sorry, HI by H naught equal to V by U. So HI by H naught equal to minus V by U, that is magnification. So magnification m equal to hi by h naught equal to minus v by u. That is the formula for magnification. Okay. Please remember the formula, very important formula students. Magnification m equal to hi by h naught equal to minus v by u. So where v is the image distance, u is the object distance. This magnification has some cases. First, case 1. First case is magnification has positive value. Okay, if suppose magnification has positive value, so that image what represent? When you get the magnification positive value, if hi and h naught has both positive values. Suppose hi, h naught both are positive values, then only magnification gets the positive. So hi is the image distance. So this is the hi, this is the h naught distance. So hi and h naught both are above the principal axis. In that situation, we will get the magnification has positive value. If suppose this is the h naught, this is the hi. Okay, this is the object distance, this is the image distance. Both are now below the principal axis. In this situation also, we will get the magnification as positive. So in this situation, the image will be, it gives image as virtual. So in this case, we will get the image is virtual image. Or understand? First case, magnification has positive value. When you get the magnification positive value, hi, image distance and object distance both are positive values, then only you will get the magnification has positive value. If suppose hi and hr both are above the principal axis or below the principal axis, in that case only magnification is positive. So in this situation, the image will be virtual. Here image formation is virtual image. Next to case 2. So next case 2 has magnification negative. When you get the magnification negative, if hi or h naught has one negative value, in hi or h naught has one negative value. Suppose hi as negative, h naught as positive. Suppose hi as positive, h naught as negative. At least one value has positive. In that situation, magnification is positive. So for example, hi is this direction, this is the direction of the hi. Okay, so h naught is the this direction, both are opposite direction. If suppose hi is the this direction, h naught is the this is the h naught, this is the hi. If suppose hi and h0 is opposite direction, in that situation magnification will be negative. I understand. One is above the principal axis and one is below the principal axis. In this situation, the image formation is real image. It gives real image. Magnification is negative, but image formation is real image. In which case hi, image distance, and object distance both are opposite direction. Image formation is real image. Here virtual image, here real image. Next, case 3. Suppose magnification is less than 1. Okay, suppose you will get the magnification is less than 1. Here gives the image is dimensioned. Here image formation is dimensional image. If suppose magnification is, fourth case, greater than 1, it gives the magnified image. It gives magnified image. Okay. If magnification less than 1, it gives dimensioned image. If magnification is greater than 1, that is magnified image. For example, magnification is 3. Okay. If magnification value is 3, what is the image formation? First of all, that is greater than 1 or less than 1. So greater than 1, so it is magnified image. Magnified image. Next, here we will get the positive value or negative value. Positive value. So magnification is positive. Here get the which type of the image? Virtual image. You have any doubt? See the cases. If you get the magnification greater than 1, that is magnified image. Here which type of image is produced? Magnification is positive value, that is virtual image. Next example, that is the first example. Next, magnification is minus 1 by 2. Okay. Here magnification is less than 1 or greater than 1? Less than 1. So it is dimensioned image. Okay. First of all, magnification is greater than 1 or less than 1. First the condition is here greater than 1 or less than 1. If so magnification is less than 1, that is dimensioned image. Here magnification is negative value. So negative value will give the real image. Are clear? Magnification has less than 1, that is dimensional image. So if the magnification is negative value, that gives the real image. Next example, magnification has minus 4. First here magnification value is greater than 1 or less than 1. So here magnification is greater than 1. So that is magnified image. Okay. So if magnification is greater than 1, that is magnified image. Here magnification is positive value or negative value? So here magnification is negative value. So it will give the real image. Okay. These are all the examples of the magnification numerical problems. Example number 9.1. First, read question completely, carefully. Suppose that the lower half of the concave mirror reflecting surface in figure 9.5, this is the figure 9.5, is covered with an opaque material. Opaque material means non-reflective material. What effect will this have on the image of the object placed in front of the mirror? This is the figure 9.5. This is a concave mirror. Okay. First of all, what happened? Lower half of the concave mirror is reflecting surface. So this is the reflecting surface. What we are doing here, half of the concave mirror means this is the half part of the concave mirror coated with opaque material. Opaque material means this is a non-reflective material. Opaque material means non-reflective material. Okay, that is placed here. Okay, so what is the effect of image formation? Now I am placing an object. So this is non-reflecting surface from P to here. Okay, lower end of the concave mirror is non-reflective surface. When we place an object in front of the concave mirror, what happened? Some incident rays are travel upon the object. So this is the first incident ray. This is the first reflected ray. This is the incident ray direction. This is the reflected ray direction. Next, this is the second incident ray. Okay, this is the second incident ray reflected towards this point. Next, this is the third incident ray. And what about the reflected ray? Reflected ray is also passing same direction because incident ray is travel through the Siemens center of curvature. So reflecting ray is also travel in same path. Okay. So here how many incident rays are? 1, 2, 3. How many reflected rays are? 1, 2, 3. Okay, total 3 incident rays and 3 reflected rays. I am asking a question where the image is formed. Okay, so where the 3 reflected rays are meet, this is a point. At this point 3 reflected rays are meted at this point. Okay, this is the first reflected ray, this is the second reflected ray, this is the third reflected ray. So this is a point. At this point 3 reflected rays are meted. At this point only image will be formed. So image is B dash A dash. When you half of the concave mirror is coated with opaque material, image will be formed. Okay, but what is effects in formation of the image? First of all, this is the total reflected surface of the concave mirror. So what we are doing, reflecting surface is decreases. Actually this is the total reflecting surface, but what we are doing, half of the concave mirror is coated with opaque material. So what happened, reflecting surface in concave mirror is decreased. So this is the reflecting surface. If reflecting surface is decreases, okay, if reflecting surface is decreases, image will be formed, but that intensity of the image, I understand, intensity of the image will be decreases. If you decrease the reflecting surface, the intensity of the image will be decreases. So answer is here, area of reflecting surface is reduced. Reflecting surface is reduced. Only this part is reflecting surface. What about this part? This is opaque material coating. So this is a non-reflecting surface. This is a reflecting surface. So area of reflecting surface is reduced. So what is the changes in image? Intensity of image is will be low. Okay, so intensity of the image will be low. So reflecting surface is reduced. What happened? Intensity of the image will be low. So in this case, what we are understanding? In this case, intensity will be half. So here intensity will be half. That is the answer. Next question. Example 9.2. A mobile phone lies along principal axis of a concave mirror as shown in the figure 9.7. So this is the figure 9.7. So here mobile phone is lies along principal axis. So this is a mobile phone. How this mobile phone is arranged? Lies along principal axis. This is the principal axis. Along the principal axis, lies along principal axis. So this is a concave mirror. Shows by suitable diagram the formation of its image. Explain why the magnification is not uniform. Will the distortion of image depend on the location of the phone with respect to the mirror? This is a mobile phone lies along principal axis. Okay, this is a concave mirror. So when you place the object here, incident rays are travel. So this is the first incident ray. This is the first reflected ray. This is the incident ray. This is the reflected ray. Okay. Next, this is the second incident ray. Okay, this is the second incident ray. Next, this is the third incident ray. Okay, this is the third incident ray. This is the reflected ray. Okay, so where the image will be formed? At center of curvature. Okay, this is the image. Okay, so object is placed at center of curvature and image is formed also center of curvature only. Okay, so here observe one thing on the diagram. So object is placed from center of curvature to focus. So here object is placed at center of curvature to towards focus point. So image is formed away from the focus. So image will be formed here, that is away from the focus. Okay, understand easily? When you place the object center of curvature to focus, then image will be formed away from the center of curvature. If you place it towards the focus, image formation is away from the focus. Next, the image size is gradually increases from away the focus point. So observe here. So image will be formation is increases. This is the image formation. Next, in a mobile, this is a circle. Okay, observe here. This is a oval shape. Here circle shape. Here oval shape. What happened? Image size will be increases. That will be changes from circle to oval shape. These are the changes due to magnification. Next question, example 9.3. An object is placed at 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. An object is placed, that is 10 centimeters in front of a concave mirror. Okay, so an object is placed means that is object distance. So object distance is denoted by letter u. Okay, next, half radius of curvature. So concave mirror of radius of curvature is 15 centimeters. So radius of curvature is denoted by a letter capital R. So capital R equal to 15 centimeters. Find the position, nature and magnification of the image in each case. Okay. For example, this is a concave mirror. Okay. This is a principal axis. So object is placed at first 10 centimeters. So this is a object AB. So here distance is 10 centimeters from pole. Okay. Next, this is a center of curvature. So center of curvature to pole is called radius of curvature. So radius of curvature is 15 centimeters from the pole. Okay. So this is the object distance, this is the radius of curvature distance. First I am taking the case 1. Object distance, object is placed means object distance, that is denoted by letter u equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. So observe here, u equal to 10 centimeters. Apply the sign convention rules. So what is the sign convention rules? This is the direction of the incident ray. We are measuring the distance from pole to object. So when we are measuring opposite direction to incident ray, okay, when we are measuring a distance opposite to incident ray, so this is the direction of the incident ray, we are measuring the distance opposite direction to incident ray. So that distance can be taken as negative. Or understand, we are measuring distance opposite to incident ray, that's why we are taking the negative sign according to sign convention rules. Next, radius of curvature. So radius of curvature is denoted by letter capital R, 15 centimeters. So next, apply the sign convention rules. So this is the radius of curvature value. So radius of curvature is measured from the pole. So that is opposite to incident ray. So you can take the negative sign. Okay, according to sign convention rules. First I am finding image distance from the mirror formula. Mirror formula or mirror equation. What is the mirror equation or mirror formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. This is called mirror formula. You know the f value? We don't know, but we know the r value. So what is the relation between f and r? F equal to r by 2, but we want here 1 by f. 1 by f equal to 2 by r. So 1 by f equal to 2 by r. Substitute that value. 2 by r equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Substitute r value, u values. 2 by r value minus 15 equal to 1 by u value minus 10 1 by v. We want v value. I am doing here 1 by 10 is come to left side. 1 by v equal to 2 by minus 15. It will comes to left side. What happened? Plus 1 by 10. Okay. So here LCM is 30. So how many times gets the cancel? 4 times. Here 3. Okay. Minus 1 by 30. This is 1 by v value. I want only v value. So v equal to minus 30 centimeter. So image is formed at 30 centimeter. Here what is the image? Object distance u equal to minus 10 centimeter. Now find the magnification. Magnification m equal to formula minus v by u. We know that v value, u value. Substitute minus v value minus 30 by u value minus 10. So magnification is minus 3. Okay. Two things students remember in your mind. First of all, here magnification value is less than 1 or greater than 1. So here magnification value is first of all greater than 1. If magnification is greater than 1, which type of image is formed? Real image. Next, second thing, magnification value is positive or negative. Magnification value is negative. So magnification is negative. It represents the image is inverted. Real and inverted image will be formed. Okay. First condition is magnification is greater than 1 or less than 1. So if magnification is greater than 1, that indicates the real image. Next, magnification is positive value or negative value. So magnification is negative value, that real image is formed inverted. So here image is real and inverted image. Now case 2. In case 2, object distance u equal to 5 centimeters is given, but that is away from the. Now apply the sign convention rule. So here object distance is measured from the pole, that is opposite to incident ray direction. So we are taking negative sign. So according to sign convention rule, the object distance measured opposite to incident ray, so we take the negative sign. Next, image distance, radius of curvature value r equal to 15 centimeter. Apply the sign conventions, that is opposite to incident ray direction, so minus 15. Now find the image distance by using the mirror formula. So according to mirror formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by V. So 1 by F equal to 2 by R. So 1 by U plus 1 by V. We know that F equal to R by 2, 1 by F equal to 2 by R. Okay. Substitute R comma U values 2 by minus 15, 1 by minus 5 plus 1 by V. We want 1 by V value. So 1 by V equal to 2 by minus 15. It comes to left side, what happened? Positive. So 1 by 5. Here LCM 1 by V equal to 15. LCM. How many times gets cancelled? 1 time, and 1 into 2, 2. Minus 2 plus 3. Here value 1 by 15. 1 by V equal to 1 by 15. We want V value, V equal to 15 centimeter. Okay. What about the U value? Minus 5 centimeters. Find the magnification. M equal to formula minus V by U. Substitute V value 15 by U value 5. Minus minus gets cancel. So how many times 5 3s? So magnification is 3. So observe here two things. First of all, magnification is greater than 1 or less than 1. Here magnification is greater than 1. So which type of image is formed? Virtual image. Why? Because here magnification is greater than 1. It is magnified and it is positive value. So it is magnified value. Magnified value. Okay. Next, magnification is positive, that represents the virtual image. If suppose magnification is negative, that represents the real image. Here only two things, magnification is positive or negative. If suppose magnification is positive value, that is virtual image. If suppose magnification is negative value, that is real image. So if suppose magnification is greater than 1, that is magnified value. Suppose magnification is less than 1, that is dimensioned image. That is the answer.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.